Miller Jyoti, Professor of Mechanical Engineering, heading the Advanced Research Center for Green Technologies and Sustainabilities. In order to ensure low carbon footprints by reducing specific energy consumption, we have 140 kilowatt capacity of solar photovoltaic panels, which is generated enormous amount of power. This power we are using for our own purpose. The excess power we are selling to the Tamil Nadu Electricity Board. Then biogas plant is other initiatives for SEC campus. We have 4 tanks capacity of 160 meter cube of biogas plant directly feed to the cooking applications. We have doing lot of research, right? We are doing awareness program for the minimizing the pollution control, usage of biogas for pollution-free emissions. We have energy conservation team. The energy conservation team doing environmental audit, green audit and environmental audit. Through by energy conservation audit, recently we have done energy conservation audit in San Precision Electrocasting Company. There 350 lakhs units actually we have saved. Our environmental team conducted green audit here by Coimbatore village. Nearly about we have 150 tons of CO2 reduction can be achieved by the means of audit. Thank you entire team. Thank you Eshwar Rice.